Halo guys, hari ini aku mau bikin tutorial make up yang cepet banget, pakai banget karena ini diburu-buru. Simple buat acara ke temen kantor pacar kalian, pernikahan, kondangan gitu. Nah kayak gini looknya.
Stupid boy think that I need him. I go cold like changing seasons. I go red hot like a demon. I go ghost for no damn reason. Stupid boy think that I need him. Stupid boy think that I need him. Pleasing, season, I'm spicy. Hot you touch too much, you pricey. Heathen, I'm in your psyche. You don't know no one else like me. Whoa. Stupid boy think that I need him. Stupid boy think that I need him. I know you think about me in the shower. Porn up in your browser. Fantasize about the pussy power. Think about me with your hand on your trousers. I'm sweet, then I'm sour. I'm Big Boss Bowser. I know you salivating over me, sir. Nipples through the teeth. Oh my god. Stupid boy think that I need him. I go cold like changing seasons. I go red hot like a demon. I go ghost for no damn reason. Stupid boy think that I need him. Stupid boy think that I need him. Pleasing, season, I'm spicy. Hot you touch too much, you pricey. Heathen, I'm in your psyche. You don't know no one else like me. Whoa. Stupid.